Nirmala Kenyam bana report mishano kielar rewich ka South Sudan ka Queen ene di atin content ga ka rewich ka Sudan bana report me bana ja kwenkel mi jirama jedit ka nor online TV channel gore jen wajinde jen yawa nasin ko kien ko de lertiti de kan shwa mala shup men yam baje ladje ka thoknath rewde baje Queen ya ka tok English ko bakula shop kanetin ko kien kon tin don kwesh ka tok kamen ban lat gwa sama shit kamen chalar yana won liam ke kuma South Sudan no de ka let ke international partner ko de ka ji South Sudan tin chigak ka Sudan de kan ka lojre which ka South Sudan do badan de ka lojo ko je choje dan chanen ken ke di de chitwok me sha South Sudanese cha kan ka wan madani ka Jazira State dung Sudan edini ki kuma Sudan ana mo cheri tungwan che ka jako bigeditin anta magor ka jano de kuma mala kuma South Sudan de ka right kana organization to ka do badan de ji South Sudan de ka lo joko ja shol ji South Sudan tin shol kan kuma ne dia la kontu de shi manaken ci ga kare kur ka Sudan Chol kan kumen o de kume South Sudan de karach ka organization tin kontin wakanas tilane tin kontin chucha loy ka jok kare wini ken de ne diala konti la ji South Sudan en konti chi gak re which ka Sudan de ka nongwich ka South Sudan jen duob dan en chalat ka je ne diala kontin dongur ka je no de South Sudanese tin konti chi gak re which in winami de ka lunjo ka je an advocacy organization appealed to the South Sudan government to work with international partners to facilitate the safe return of South Sudanese citizens trapped in war-torn Sudan. The Citizen Call Emergency Response Rehabilitation Initiative, a non-profit organization, made the suggestion aimed at deteriorating security situation in Sudan and the risk it poses to thousands of refugees. Though hundreds of thousands of South Sudanese have since poured home across the border and initial evacuation efforts were made in 2023. Many citizens remain stranded due to logistical and financial constraints. Meanwhile, Akocha Akwe, a representative of the citizen called ERRI, urged the government to work closely with the United Nations to ensure that those fleeing conflict travel safely and with dignity. We are here again to call on the government of South Sudan and international community to look into the situation of South Sudanese who are trapped in Sudan. In January 2025, diplomatic officials from Sudan and South Sudan agreed to facilitate the voluntary return of citizens from both countries. The following report of violence targeting South Sudanese refugees in Wad Medini of Al Jazeera State and the subsequent looting and violence against Sudanese refugees in South Sudan. As part of this arrangement, the Sudanese government successfully repatriated more than 700 Sudanese nationals through Juba International Airport to Port Sudan in the past week. We are asking for the safe corridor, asking the warring parties to allow South Sudanese to stay in the safe corridor instead of them being a target of the aggression. We have seen already the Sudanese government evacuating their people. Since Tuesday, this week up to today, they are picking up their people. 3 flights a day. What about South Sudan? We can do the same thing. En kuma dung Sudan nang kaneken duno kuma South Sudan chika neken chicken ganong. Jen kun ala tejona ni shanga jog la renal dang jog la kananjal te nang ka Sudan nang ka Port Sudan ka ngoda cha ni kon la South Sudanese cha lu jok ename she ni kon la citizen ki ji wo cha go chicken go jeno ename mede na roitin ngume nang ne Sudanese namo cha ji South Sudan cha lu tre wo ka South Sudan namo agenda en chalat ka janda no go re de nyoga yekel en ban nyo jom de den biata kamal bye bye